Hey friends, if you wish to print screen without the print screen button, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So, one way of printing a screen is using the control and print screen button, and that will take a screenshot of the whole screen. Now, the other method is, and I'll tell you why it matters because this combination will interfere with third-party software products. It will also interfere with a lot of other options on the computer. So, I'll tell you another way. Press Shift plus Windows plus S. Now this will open the sniping tool and you can use it to take a screenshot of the whole screen. Okay, as you have seen here. So this is what you can do. You can use the sniping tool as an alternative, and obviously there are countless other third-party tools, but this is the best option. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.